Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. In the today's video, I'm going to discuss about how the market will perform by during the next week. Okay, and if you check up onto the last video, I clearly told that market is poised for a big up one, and that is what has happened onto the history as of now. Okay, and the last video's link has been given in the description box. Kindly go and check out the previous video. Okay, and in that video, I clearly told that Bank Nifty and Nifty, both the indexes are headed for onto the strongly onto the higher side. Okay, and that is what it has been happen onto the last month. Okay, and in this video I am going to discuss about how the market will perform by during the next week. Okay, that is onto the Monday to Friday. Okay, and if you see the Nifty onto the charts, and let's go to the chart right now. But before going to the chart, if you want this kind of videos onto the regular basis, kindly hit the subscribe button and share this video to all the traders. Now let's go to the charting platform right now. Okay, and currently I'm onto the Bank Nifty daily chart. Okay, and if you go onto the Bank Nifty daily chart onto the 18th of July, since the 18th of July, market has picked up a strong momentum onto the higher side, and it has went up like more probably like 2,000 to 3,000 points. It has moved onto the higher side, but if you check up onto the currently it has been taking resistance at the levels of 38,230 levels. Okay, and Bank Nifty closed at 37,920, but more or less it is taking resistance at 38,200 to 38,300 levels. Okay, and during the next week, the Bank Nifty has to close above 38,300 to move on to the higher side. But if you check up onto the on this day, that is on 4th of August, it has made a high of 38,231, and it has also made a low of 37,250 levels. Okay, almost it has given the moment of 1,000 points in just a single day. Okay, and this day, okay, and this candle has been making a strong move on this day. Okay, and this highs and lows are very important during the next week. Okay, either side breakout of this high and low will give you a clear direction. Okay, and on to the higher side, 38,300 will be the strong resistance, and if it gets broken up, it will move again onto the 600 to 700 points. It can move onto the higher side. Okay, but if it breaks onto the lower side, it is about like a 37,250. If it breaks onto the 37,250, then we can say that what is the since 18th of August, right? And this is of 18th of July, right? Okay, and since then, what is the uptrend is going on since then, it has been closed now. Okay, only and only if it breaks 37,250. If 37,250 breaks, then we can say the short-term uptrend has been completed. Okay, and the Bank Nifty is ready for the short-term correction. Okay, and if it 37,250 breaks, it can move onto the lower side like 36,250 levels. Okay, approximately like 1,000 points onto the lower side. Okay, but during the next week, 37,250 is the strong support, and 38,200 to 300 is the strong resistance. Okay, and this is the level to watch out for. Okay, and according to me, it can move on these levels only. And according to me, it will not break either of these highs and lows. Okay, so it will move in between these area. Okay, and that is what I want to watch out for during the next week into the Bank Nifty. Now let's go for the Nifty now. Okay, and if you check up onto the Nifty, since like this is also taken a huge momentum from the 15th of July. Okay, and from that level, it from 16,000, it moved on to the higher side till the levels of 17,500 levels. Okay, approximately like 1,500 points moment has been given up by the Nifty in just 1 month itself. Okay, and if you check up onto the 4th of August, it has made a Nifty has made a high of 17,490, and it has made a low of 17,161. Okay, more or less the same pattern which is happened onto the Bank Nifty. Okay, and during the next week also, Nifty is having the strong resistance of 17,500 levels onto the higher side, and onto the lower side 17,150 will act as a major support. Okay, either side breakout will give you a good trended markets, but until and unless it doesn't break, it will move onto the sideways. That is in between the range of 17,500 to 17,150 levels. Okay, and this is the range to watch out for during the next week in terms of the Nifty. Okay, and either side breakout will give you a good trended move. Okay, and so this is all about the Nifty and Bank Nifty. Now let's go for the stock specific view. Okay, and for the stock specific view, I have selected Ambuja Limited. Okay, Ambuja Cements, and if you check out here, this has been given. This has been made in taking the formation of bull flag formation, and it has also given the breakout of this bull flag, but the high it has made like 382.80. Okay, that is something like 383. Okay, so I want to take this trade only above 383 and 384. Okay, currently it is trading at 382.65. Let it cross 384. Okay, this is a conditional buy. Okay, so let it cross 384 onto the higher side, then I will initiate a long trade into the Ambuja Cements Limited at the price of 384, and we will keep a stop loss of something like 374 onto the lower side, and we can expect something the targets like 420, and the next the final target will be like 435, and the final target will be like 440 onto the higher side into the Ambuja Cements Limited. Okay, so this is onto the stock specific trade. Okay, and this stock specific trade can take you up to like, this is a positional trade. Okay, this is not an intraday trade, so this can the target achievement of the target can take you in the next 20 to 30 days. Okay, so the target can be attained in the next 20 to 30 days onto the higher side, and we can expect a target of something like the first target will be 435, and the final target will be 442 onto the higher side for the Ambuja Cements. Okay, so this is all about the today's session. Okay, and this is all about the today's session. If you really like up this video, kindly share this video to all the traders and tell them to hit the subscribe button, and also you can also hit the subscribe button. Okay, so this is up for the today's session. We'll meet you in the next session. Until then, thank you. Bye bye.